This Century 21 Premier Realtors property video is presented by Robert Herrings Jr. Make a great choice with this satisfying traditional style. There are a number of possibilities to be found here, beginning with 2-car garage, newly painted exterior and chain-link fence. 3 bedrooms, 1.5 baths. Cooking will be less of a chore when you have the gas range, granite countertop and pantry. All your outdoor equipment can be stored safely in the sturdy storage shed. Other desirable features: wood flooring, newly painted interior, ceramic tile baths, central air. For more information, review the details below or contact Robert Herrings Jr. at 254-547-9991.